Welcome to BSC Fashion, an online shopping portal of BS Channabasappa and Sons, powered by TBITS India. Using the wish list to create your own list of products. Open bscfashion.com in your favorite browser. You need to be logged in to use the wish list feature. To log in, click on the Add to Basket button. It will ask for login details if you've not logged in. Enter your phone number, passcode, and click on Login. Now, you can add to basket. To add an item to your wish list, click on I love this item button. This will add your favorite item to your wish list. I'll add some more items to wish list. Inside the product page, click here to add to wish list. Let's add from another category. Let's visit men's section. I'll add some items to the wish list. To view your wish list, go to Home page. To view your wish list items, click on the banner or on View More button. It's available on the home page. To remove an item from your wish list, click on I love this button. This will remove the item from your wish list. The next time you visit, it will be completely removed from your wish list. Thank you so much for watching. Happy shopping at BSC Fashion.